Welcome back student, a brand new class of JavaScript. In today's class we are going to discuss the operator, and the name of the operator is relational operator. As we know that we are doing JavaScript, and inside the JavaScript we are discussing operators. So today we are going to discuss relational operator. A relational operator are some symbol which return a boolean value. As we know that a boolean value true and false after evaluate the condition. Like when we evaluate the relational operator, the given output, the output is given in form of true or false, like 0 and 1. As we जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि जब भी हम रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर को डिस्कस करते हैं तो मेरे पास क्या होता है, जो आउटपुट आती है ट्रू या फॉल्स में आती है. एंड वी नो दैट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स comes under boolean value. Boolean mean where we have only two conditions, either true or either false. So let's start with practical example. So inside the example, in practical example, we are going to practically implement this relational operator. In a relational operator we have these operators like equal to operator, not equal to operator, greater than operator, less than operator, less than equal to operator, and greater than equal to operator. So in practical we will implement all these operators. So open Notepad++. So inside the Notepad++, let's start with HTML. Close the HTML tag, head, close the head tag. Inside the head we have a title. Inside the title, relational operator demo. Close the title. That's it. Now save the file, and the name of the file of relational operator demo.html. Now open the file. Here. Okay, we have a title, relational operator demo. Now let's start. Here body tag, close the body tag. Inside the body tag, start JavaScript. Script type is equal to text JavaScript. So first operator is, so let's declare variable. var a is equal to 8, and var v is equal to 6. Okay, now we are doing this demo in two ways. First is simplest, like this, and the another one we cannot declare. We don't declare the variable. We declare the variable at execution time, or in other words we can say that we write the variables in statement. There is no need to declare during जब भी हम डिक्लेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. हम क्या करेंगे, उसे इम्प्लीमेंट ही करेंगे सीधा ही. ठीक है. सो document dot write. So here a, so we have these are relational operator है ना. is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than equal to, or greater than equal to. So let's start with A less than B. As per our declaration, the condition is false because A is not less than B. So let's see the output. The outputs come false. Why it's come false? Why output is false? Because we know that the value of A is 8 and the value of B is 6. So we can say that 8 less than 6. So this condition is true or false? This condition is false. So output is false. Okay. The next one is document dot write A greater than B. So it's true because A is greater than B. Document dot write here we use BR. BR means line break. The second one is true because A, the value of A is 8 and 8 is greater than 6. That's why the output is true. So the other operators greater than, less than equal to, and greater than is for homework. You have to implement all these operators and check whether the output is true or output is false. So let's start with last class practical. So in last class there is a homework and the homework is this. This is your homework. You have to implement all these assignment operator and the output is this. So let's start. So the name of the file is assignment solution. This one. So this is our output and this is our question solution. So we have plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, divide and modulus. So हमने ये practical implement करने तो value of here we have a one variable, the name of the variable is x and the value of x is 10. So in first line we have write document dot write the value of x is what is the actual value of x, है ना. In first line we print what is the actual value of x. The actual value of x is 10. So in first line we have the output is 10. In next line what is the value of x plus equal to 10. It mean मैंने से बोला कि मुझे डिस्प्ले करवानी किसकी वैल्यू, x की वैल्यू, वो क्या होनी चाहिए x प्लस इक्वल टू 10 दिस. So when we evaluate or we expand this become x equal to x plus 10. So here x is equal to the what is the value of x is 10 in what is the in variable, no, x the value of 10 and what is our value, that is also 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. That's why the x is equal x plus is equal to 10 is 20. So next value is 20. So here the question है ना, the next term. Next is x minus is equal to 10. This is our question है ना, this is our operator है ना, how to use this operator. So in other words, when we evaluate x is equal to x minus 10, this one, now this, what is the value of x? As per our declaration, the value of x is 10. बट एज वी नो दैट ना, हमें पता है कि कंप्यूटर क्या होता है, लाइन बाय लाइन चीज़ को रीड कर रहा है. तो हेयर व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज, व्हेन वी एग्जीक्यूट दिस स्टेटमेंट it change the value of x, and now the value of x is 20. So here we go, 20 minus 10, so then the output is 10. That's why in next statement, in second statement, the output is 10. Okay, this is the question actual में ना, ये एक्चुअल में क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास जो मेन है. ठीक है, इन नेक्स्ट, so what is the value of x is 10. Now 10 multiplied 10 is equal to 100. So that's why the next output is 100. In next, now what is the value of x? Right now we have the value, what is the value of x now? 100 divided by 10. So as we know that when we use this symbol, this symbol, it shows बैलेंस. और जब भी हम डिवाइड सिंबल यूज़ करते हैं, मुझे क्या दिखाता है, कोशिएंट. तो 10 10 क्या 100, तो व्हाट इज द कोशिएंट इज 10. दैट्स व्हाई इट शोस 10. इन द नेक्स्ट केस it shows remainder, so then we use 100 divided by 10. So what is the remainder? It's 0. So the output is 0. This is the actual है ना, this is the solution of last assignment. So as we know that here in this this is a question. The question is write a program to show the value output like this है ना. तो as we know that this is our output. So in this way we can perform assignment operator. So if you have any problem, any doubt, you can tell me and I will explain in next class. So thanks for, this is today lecture. So thanks for today. See you next lecture. In next class we start logical operators and other operators. So thanks for today. See you next class.